Hi everyone. Today our topic is about fractions and decimals. First of all, let us see what is meant by a fraction. A, a fraction is nothing but a part of a whole. So here one part is shaded. So the number of parts shaded is known as numerator. Remaining parts, total parts, not remaining parts, all the total parts you have to keep in the denominator. So this 1 is known as numerator. This 4 is known as denominator. And these fractions are divided into 3 parts: proper fractions, improper fractions and mixed fractions. Let us see first of all what is meant by proper fraction. In proper fractions, the numerator is less than the denominator. Here, the denominator should be high than the numerator. So, let us take 2 by 5. Here, 2 is less than denominator. So, this is known as proper fraction. Whereas in improper fraction, the numerator should be more than the denominator. So, the denominator should be more than the numerator should be more than the denominator. So, here let us take one example for this. 5 by 2. Here denominator is less than the numerator. So here 5 by 2 is an improper fraction. But whereas 2 by 5, here 5 is greater than 2. So this is known as proper fraction. Proper fraction. Here mixed fractions. This contains an integral part and a fractional part. It contains an integral part and a fractional part. The fractional part should be a proper fraction. Here mixed fractions is nothing but 2 by 4. This part is known as integral part. Integral part. Whereas this 2 by 4 is known as fractional part. Fractional part. So, now this 2 by 4, if we want to change into normal fraction, how to do? Let us see. It comes only in improper fraction. So, here 4 2s are 8. So, these 2 should be multiplied. To this answer, this numerator should be added. To this fraction, it should be added. To this sum, it should be added. Let us see what fraction it comes. So 4 2s are 8 plus 2, but the denominator should be in the same place. It should not change. 8 plus 2 nothing but 10 by 4. Whether this 10 by 4 we have to convert into the mixed fraction, how to do? So we have to divide it by 4. 4 2s are 8, 2. Here this 2 by 4. This should be in the denominator place. Next, let us come to like and unlike fractions. Here, like fractions, in like fractions, the denominator should be same. But whereas in unlike fractions, the denominators won't be as same. Let us take one example for like fractions. Here, 2 by 3 comma 5 by 3. Here the denominators are same. So how to add and subtract, let us see. Here we have, if we have to add, we can add directly. 2 plus 5 is nothing but 7 by 3. Here denominators are same, so we can add directly or subtract directly. But whereas in unlike fractions, 2 by 3, 5 by 4, we have to take LCM. Let us see how that method we have to do. We have two methods in that. Addition and subtraction of two unlike fractions. Let us see. So 2 by 3 plus 4 by 2. One simple method I will tell. So we have to multiply these two denominators. What it comes? 3 2s are 6. And we have to do cross multiplication. So 3 4s are 12 plus 2 2s are 4. 12 plus 4, 16. So it is 16 by 6. Another method is 2 by 3 plus 4 by 2. It is very lengthy method. Let us see what is that. Here for the denominator 3 and 2, we have to find LCM. 3 comma 2, how to find LCM? First of all 2, 2 ones are 2, 3 as it is, 3, 1 comma 1. So 2 3s are 6, LCM is 6. Next, here 2 by 3 into 2 by 4, 2 by 2 plus 4 by 2 into 3 by 3. Here 2 by 2, 2 by 2 into 2 by 3. We will get 6 in the two denominators place. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Let us add this. 16 by 6. So we got same answers. In the same way, we have to subtract. Let us take 2 by 3 minus 4 by 2. In the first method, same way, we have to multiply the denominators and we have to do cross multiplication. Let us see. 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12, minus 2 2s are 4. We will get 8 by 6. In the LCM method, 2 by 3 minus 4 by 2, we will get LCM same 6 because 3, 2, 2, 1, 3, 1, 3 completed. So we will get 6 in the LCM, 6 as the LCM only. So 2 by 3 into 2 by 2 same, but we'll change the symbol. 4 by 2 into 3 by 3 in the same way. 4 minus 12 by 6, we will get minus 8 by 6. These are the two methods for each thing. Thank you and subscribe our channel. About decimals we will see in next part.